Get fit in pink. Train with us. Exercise routine. Upper abs. This routine is going to be level 1, ideal for beginners. The workout. In this video we are going to work the upper abs. It is going to be a routine that we will do lying on the floor, although we can also do it on the bed if you have any discomfort when doing it on a hard surface. We recommend that you always use a mat or thick towel or blanket to cushion your back. You should always take good care of it. We want to take this moment, if you like this workout, to subscribe and give us a like. Thank you. We are going to do an abdominal exercise routine that we can do anywhere and at any time. It is important to clarify that only the constancy in the workout and a healthy life can help transform our body. We will never make you believe that there are miracle routines or that you only have to do it once to achieve your goals. We will try to help you if you follow our workouts. This routine consists of 1 set, but you can repeat this workout twice to do 2 sets. If you cannot do any of the exercises, you can replace it with the one that is more comfortable for you of those that we suggest in this routine. You should not force or take your body to the point of pain. If you feel any discomfort is the signal to stop. We will perform 10 repetitions of each exercise, without rest. You can repeat this circuit 2 or 3 times per week. In this routine we will burn between 60 to 70 calories, but remember that this is only an estimate. Something very important, when you perform the lifts in the crunches we will keep your back straight. You should always lift half of your back without bending your neck. We have other routines that can be complemented with this one. Just enter our channel and start sculpting your body. We hope you like this workout. First exercise. Crunches hands to knees. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's start. 1. Raise the middle of your back trying to touch your knees. 2. But don't bend your neck. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Crunching touching heels. 1. 2. Now we will rise 3. Trying to touch our heels to one side and to the other. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Crunches hands to knees crossed. 1. 2. We raise our torso trying 3. To touch the knee we have on the diagonal. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Twisting at the waist with knees together. 1. We are going to turn the waist by swinging the 2. Knees from one side to the other. This exercise is great for refining the waist. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Cross knee elbow crunch. 1. 2. We will try to touch the opposite 3. Knee with the elbow, without forcing the neck. 4. The hand behind the neck is the one that holds the weight of the head. 5. 6. 7. 8, 9, 10. We change sides. 1, 2. Now we will do 3. It with the other elbow, towards the opposite knee. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Waist twists with knees together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lateral crunches with arm support. 1, 2. When we raise the torso, 3. We will use the extended arm to help push up, 4. To work the obliques. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We change sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Waist twists with knees together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side crunches. 1, 2. Now we are going to raise 3. The torso laterally, but without leaning. 4. If for you it is too complicated, you can do the exercise 5. Where we lean on an extended arm. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Waist twists with knees together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Crunches with hands on the back of the neck. 1, 2. This basic movement is like the first one but with your hands behind your neck, 4, holding your head. Do not pull your neck to 5, lift yourself up. Your head must be relaxed. To 6, do this you can point your chin towards the ceiling by lifting your 7, chin up. 8, 9, 10. Hip swings with raised legs. 1, 2. In this movement we will move the 3, hips from one side to the other with the legs up. 4. The work is done with the waist. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last exercise. Waist twists with knees together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Good job. And that's it for this upper abs workout. Congratulations, you did great. If you still have strength, you can repeat this routine or do another routine that we have in our channel. To do so, rest for 2 minutes before starting again, drink water too, and when you feel ready, let's start again. If you like our videos, we feel very proud, because we are really working hard to keep improving and uploading workouts and exercises, so you can train safely. We love that you join us in all the routines that we are uploading for you. If you want to help us, you can do it by commenting and sharing these videos with your friends. You help a lot of people with it and us too. Thank you for train with us. And welcome to Fit in Pink.